What's going on, everyone? Evan here. Hey, we got a really simple video today. We're going to be changing out a sprinkler head that my uncle mowed over when he was helping me mow last week. Let's get it. One quick thing, guys, before you install the new sprinkler head, you're going to want to make sure you take off this gray pipe, little fitting here. That'll go on the bottom of the new head. So I wanted to show you guys what the inside of this head looks like. It's a pretty simple type of design and mechanism, but you can see this little arm here. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's a little arm in there, and with this arm and lever lifted up, the head will actually rotate and spray water in a complete circle. But if you flip that little lever and that arm down, it will get caught by the arms on the bottom, and that will control it going into a little bit of a half circle. So let's put this thing in the ground and see what it does.